Hello everyone and welcome on this new video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, it's my pleasure to announce that my gold signal from last Monday is so far activated and running in around 200 pips of profit by the time of making this video, 192 pips to be precise. So please guys, let us know in the comments if you have taken this signal and enjoying those pips of profits with the Xtreme Trader, and I really hope you actually did and have entered this signal. Please guys, leave a comment so the new followers and joiners will know the quality of our signals. Also, my friends, as a disclaimer, it's important to remind you that we have to be very careful trading the gold nowadays. It's just insane. I mean, it's just one insane pair right now, especially with the pressure on Mr. Jerome Powell to reduce the federal interest rates. Actually, it will surely affect the gold. So therefore, we have to pay attention to Mr. Jerome Powell's speech if he's gonna cut the rates for the upcoming month of September or not. I mean, that is something they didn't do since March 2020, and that actually might make a huge move in the gold if they did that. So again, we have to be very careful and make sure that every signal that you're entering to sell or buy the gold is always considered with a proper stop loss that you can actually afford. So don't be surprised if this signal has failed, because you are the one responsible for your capital risk management. You are the one responsible for how much you want to invest in this trade. So of course, that was my disclaimer before we sent this signal. So let's now see what we can do next with the gold. So actually, first of all, I would like to get rid of the old signal so we have a clear chart. So right now, based on the weekly chart, what we can see right here is that the gold is yet to break out from this level of a key resistance at 2,425. And that means that the current weekly candle still seems bearish, as we can see right here, and most likely within just 2 days left for these candles, I believe it will actually continue to be red, and hopefully it will continue even the fall toward the lowest level of a real support at 2,348. So meaning we can still look to sell the gold for the remaining days of this week. Moving now to the daily chart. So right now the daily chart is actually here, and that is the reason actually to make this video, is actually right now this current pattern right here, which actually seems promising for the continuation of the fall. Not only that, but if we move right now to the 4-hour time frame, what we have right here is really interesting, because first of all, we have here a head and shoulders pattern, not only one, but actually two. So we have here head and shoulders pattern has indeed been completed with the gold, and most likely this pair will continue the fall toward the lowest level of a real support right here at 2,350. And that means that we can start shorting the gold as soon as possible. Now, let me just move to the 1-hour time frame. Now here is the trick. Actually, on the 1-hour time frame, and before we continue, I would like to show you first of all the Fibonacci retracement, because it's really interesting. So now what we can see right here is that the gold has indeed, actually, I would like to move back to the 4-hour time frame, sorry guys. Right now what we can see right here is that the gold has indeed made here a strong bullish breakout from 61.8 and instantly fall back all the way below 23.6 and instantly rose again to gain some liquidity, of course. And right now we can see that the gold after that respected the Fibonacci 50 and respected Fibonacci 38.2, which means those levels of a key resistance are indeed being respected, as we can see right here. So meaning the gold is indeed respecting every signal resistance attempt, but ignoring the support attempts, of course, because the bearish movement is so strong and the gold seems to be continuing in the fall. So therefore, for the remaining days of this week, I believe that the gold is going to start the fall at a certain point. Let me just now show you on the 1-hour time frame. So right now, based on the 1-hour time frame, what we can see right here is simply a strong key level of a resistance that just simply cannot be ignored. Exactly right there, to be precise. Exactly, yes. At 2,396. Pay attention. Right here, of course, we have a strong key level of a resistance, which became only one support as one attempt only and instantly been broken out from. Then again, 2 attempts of a real resistance and another fake breakout. That fake breakout tells us a lot. We thought that the gold actually should continue the rise respecting this level of a support, and then it should continue the rise. That didn't happen. The gold just simply made a fake breakout, and as you can see, broke out from the real level of a support right here at 2,388, and that means a continuation in the fall, a strong bearish movement. So therefore, I believe that we can resell the gold exactly right here at the same level of that resistance at 2,396, and I hope this signal is going to be triggered by today or tomorrow. However, the take profit level in this case is going to be placed just right here at the absolutely lowest level of a real support at 2,364, expecting around 324 pips profit of this signal, and the safe zone, which is unfortunately going to be a little bit higher, is going to be right here exactly at the highest level of a resistance. We can make it right there exactly. Yeah. Let me just be sure. Yeah, that's really fine. That's fair. Exactly. That's going to be safe actually for the safe zone to be ranging for around, let me see, around 160 pips only against 320 pips of profit. I believe this can be considered somehow as the scalping signal. But again, I actually could have sent it in Telegram and get done with it, but of course I would like guys to explain to you the reason behind of each signal rather than just send it as a picture. I would like to explain to you the reason of choosing this signal. Anyway, let me know, please write it for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the gold. I really hope it's gonna turn out to be one good signal, and hopefully we will make good profits with it. And again, do not trade by yourself alone. Trade with the Xtreme Trader team by joining this the free group of Telegram. Of course, it's safer for you to join this group because I will send any updates about these signals right here on Telegram. These updates cannot be sent on YouTube, and as we can see right here, for example, I said that the new signal for the gold is running in 100 pips of profit, and we can keep it. The momentum looks bearish so far. So these updates coming directly from me on my Telegram. Make sure to join it, and hopefully we can actually make good profits with it. Again, here another update about this signal, that it's running so far in 200 pips and looks promising to even fall more. So again, these updates coming directly from me, so make sure to join our free group of Telegram. You can just simply find the link to join in the description below of this video, or you can just simply look it up right here at Xtreme Trader Signals. But make sure to join the real and authentic channel. Do not join the scammers who pretending to be Xtreme Trader. Of course, thanks to our reputation, a lot of scammers are using our name and logo, pretending to be us, and scamming the people by telling them that they are a broker or they are actually trading funds and so on. And once you deposit your money with them, of course, it's completely gone. So make sure to join only the authentic and real channel of Xtreme Trader. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.